Amazon just delivered my package, which is a laptop stand. And I'm super excited to be unboxing this with you guys. So for a while now, I've been having this back pain while walking, and hopefully with the help of this stand, I'm going to overcome it. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Wow, this is actually awesome. How do I open it? Ooh. I purposely chose this color, this dark gray color. They have different colors on the website, but I prefer this, so that was why I went for this color. There's a leaflet here, but I don't even understand the language because everything here is in Chinese, so there's no need to read. And yes, wow. I literally have to use all my strength to drag it. I was actually doing the wrong thing. This is it. I'm going to raise all. I think it's okay this one. So, and also one of the reasons why I decided to go for this color is that I have this particular color of my piece on my PC, and I also have it here on this stand. So all of them are going to be in line. Previously, I would hunt over while walking, but now I can stretch my back. This feels good, and I'm also happy that I can rotate it 360. And I think that was one of the reasons why I went for this particular product. I saw other ones that you cannot rotate, but this one you can rotate it 360. That's all, guys. So please do not forget to like, drop a comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.